Good news! Permits for the Inca Trail 2025 will be released in the first week of October 2024. If you're planning a trek in 2025, book early with AB Expeditions. Popular dates sell out fast, so booking ahead helps you secure your spot and plan smoothly. In this guide, we'll discuss everything you need to know about hiking the Inca Trail in 2025. Advantages. Best campsites. Campsites like Ayapata and Winaiwena are popular. Booking early guarantees you get the one you want. Best time. June, July, and August are dry season months and perfect for hiking. Booking 6 to 8 months in advance makes sure you get the dates you want. Better price. By booking in 2024, you can lock in the current rates before prices increase in 2025 due to various factors. Disadvantages. No refunds. Inca Trail permits are non-refundable and non-transferable. You'll have to buy a new permit if you need to change your dates. When should you book? To get your preferred dates and campsites, it's best to book 6 to 8 months in advance. Here's a simple guide based on the season. Dry season. Book 6 to 8 months ahead to secure the best dates and campsites. Wet season. Booking 2 months ahead is usually enough. Shoulder season. Booking 4 to 6 months in advance is recommended. Can I get an Inca Trail permit if my passport is expired? Yes, you can book with your old passport or driver's license. Just send us your new passport info when you get it. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months before your trip. If I get my 2025 Inca Trail permit this year, can I change the date later without extra fees? Yes, you can change the date for free until September 31st, 2024. After that, if you want to change it, you'll need to buy new permits. Which circuit will Inca Trail hikers take in 2025? All hikers in 2025 will follow Circuit 3 in Machu Picchu. This applies to everyone, with no exceptions. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to experience the incredible Inca Trail in 2025, you can book with us at AB Expeditions. We're a 100% locally owned company offering top quality trekking gear for our porters, satellite phones for your safety, and private toilets for your comfort. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We're here to help you plan your adventure.